all packed up, ready to leave this little place. This place is so cool. Like, the people were so nice, weren't they?
Yeah. The breakfast was good.
Breakfast was amazing.
They'll give you some black pudding.
Yeah, and haggis. If you're ever up this way, highly recommend. I'll put all the info in the description, so make sure you check it out. Ready to hit the road?
Yeah.
I think we're going to go look at a lighthouse. Yeah? Let's do it. Alright, we stopped off at a... What is this place?
Not sure.
It's a Pictish ancient area.
Monastery and
Monastery.
graveyard.
Yeah. So the Pictish were here during the 3rd to the 9th century and believed to be the first Scottish people.
Yeah.
It's just a field. We have driven to the tip of this peninsula, not far from where we stayed last night, because there's a lighthouse.
It's like a proper one.
Yeah. So there's nothing but water each side of it. It's really cool. The host of the place we stayed at last night said we might see otters just lying on the rocks.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that'd be cool. So fingers crossed. Right down to the edge of the peninsula. Didn't see any wildlife, no seals or
Some birds.
saw some birds, no otters or dolphins or anything. And now we're just going to walk to this cliff face and see what we can see. Okay, detour over, time to see a castle.
Yay.
We've come to a proper castle.
Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah.
We've got proper bagpipes and everything. Made it to our first castle of the day.
Dunrobin.
We're going to watch a falconry show, aren't we?
Yeah.
It looks
Look at
pretty
that
cool.
view though.
I know, like the view is just like nuts. We were actually over that way somewhere this morning, way over the other side of the water. That's the lighthouse.
Every 4th year, he will lose that feather in a cycle we call the molt. So he gets a new set of feathers, 25% renewal per year, average. So it takes 4 years to lose that one. And he always times the loss of that special feather when there's an explosion of baby rabbits. Doing it, they just love to do it. So this guy uses a lot of energy to fly. Every time he turns, I've got to get him back down. And every time he comes back down, I'm going to give him another pass with the lure. So he weighs 2.5 pounds. Half the weight of the eagle owl, and yet he eats 2.
This is my new mate. How was that?
That was awesome.
How cool was
I
it?
know.
What was your favourite? We saw 2 falcons and an
The
owl.
owl was the favourite.
Owl was the
Yeah.
best, wasn't
His wings like.
he? So cool.
It's just full of steps.
I know, it's great.
Green room?
This is when you wait before you do the show. How was it?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty awesome castle. Favourite part?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine too. So cool. Bye, castle. Quick detour from our castle hunting. We've made it to a whiskey distillery. So they're not making whiskey today, it's their silent season. But this means that we get a free tour.
Quiet the fuck. Oh look, here's my whiskey.
So how do you say it?
Glenmorangie.
Did you like the smell in there?
Yeah.
It's just alcohol. How cool. Alright Emma, are you a whiskey expert now?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Number 2 for the day. Done a distillery, a castle, and here's our second one. But this one's a little bit less built than the other one. Yeah. Yeah, if one of those hit your house, you'd know about it. So we're walking by Loch Ness. Can you see Nessie, the monster?
No, I'm looking for her.
You can't see her out there? Oh well, she eludes us too.
More stairs.
This is Scotland. So, best room in the house?
It's a bit cold up here.
It is a little bit cold, isn't it? Run away to the Isle of Skye, but we found another castle, so we had to stop. Found another little amazing B&B we're staying in tonight. It's called Seafar B&B. Today the Swans played and we haven't seen it yet, so we are going to set up camp. Got that whiskey that we bought at the distillery, which was awesome, and so we're going to drink that and watch the Swans play. See you guys.